So this movie is a bit of a tricky one for me. It has me in a really weird spot because on one hand, I did like it. I can't deny that. I had a fun time with the movie. But on the other hand, I feel like my liking of it comes from me liking the original movie so much because it's just a carbon copy of that movie. So it's a situation of like, well, yeah, why wouldn't I like that? They're the same movie. And so because of that, my liking of the remake feels a little hollow. Like on one hand, I want to be able to commend this movie for not making a lot of the same mistakes that have historically sunk these remakes, but they did so in what I feel is the safest way that they possibly could have. I wish that they could have done some things to help differentiate themselves from that original film. But if this movie comes out and fans feel like its biggest offense is that it's just a not as good copy and paste of the original animated film, then I think you would have to consider that a success when you compare that to the receptions of all the other films that are in the field that this movie will reside in. Overall, guys, I guess I would say that I had a fun enough time with this movie. I think it did what it needed to do, and it was, I guess, a solid first step for DreamWorks into the live action remake world. I hope moving forward they can step out of the box a little bit and make some changes and tweaks here and hopefully do it better than Disney has. I'm very curious to see how to Train Your Dragon fans will react to this movie because they may be happy just to see that the movie that they love so much wasn't butchered or sullied in any way. They just need to know that going in, you are going to be seeing the exact same movie. For some people, that'll be exactly what they're hoping to get, and some people will be disappointed. I can guarantee you, though, that you will walk out of this movie happier than Snow White fans did. That is 100% guaranteed.